Welcome. This is previous year's revenue data table of vegetables field. In 2018, farmer earned total profit from vegetables field $4,633.75. Similarly in others. Now I analyze the data in column F by using these functions. First, I calculate total profit from year 2009 to year 2018 by using sum function. So activate cell I7. You can see insert function button in formula bar. Rather than you click in formulas tab, you can open the insert function dialog box from formula bar. So click insert function button. Type sum in a search box. Click go. Select the sum function from the list. Click OK. The function arguments dialog box open. In number 1 box, select the cell reference range. Click OK. You have last 10 years total revenue from vegetables field. Now I determine maximum profit value from last 10 years revenue. To determine maximum value from column F, you need to insert max function. You are already familiar with max function. This function searches the maximum value from the selected range. So activate cell I8, click insert function button, search max function. Click go. Select max function from the list. The function arguments dialog box open. In number 1 box, select the cell reference range. Click OK. You have maximum profit from the last 10 years profit list. Farmer earned maximum revenue in 2016 from vegetables field. To calculate minimum value from total profit list, activate cell I9. Click insert function button. Search min function. Click go. Select the min function from the list. Click OK. In number 1 box, select the cell reference range. Click OK. Farmer earned minimum profit in 2010 from vegetable fields. To calculate average value from profit list, activate cell I9. Click insert function button. Search average from search box. Click go. Select the average function from the list. Click OK. In number 1 box, select the cell reference range. Click OK. You have average value from total profit list. Now I determine the middle value from the profit list. I use median function. Median function returns the middle value from the selected range. To determine middle value from the total profit list, first activate cell I11, click insert function. Type median in search box. Click go. Select the median function from the list. Click OK. You have some instructions here. Returns the median or the number in the middle of the set of given number. So select the cell reference range. Click OK. You have middle value from the total profit list.